So, if you're a parent, then you have kids. And if you have kids, then they age, whether you like it or not sometimes. And if they age, they have birthdays. If they have birthdays, they have birthday parties. If they have birthday parties, then you have to decorate. You don't want to spend more time decorating than necessary. So that's why today I'm going to show you this. This is the ETENWOLF air balloon pump that'll help you decorate quickly and get back to celebrating that milestone with your kids. But first, what's up? I'm Jeff. Welcome to the workshop. This channel is fun-sized adventures where I try to help parents like you build some backyard fun while keeping it on a budget. Sometimes that backyard fun includes birthday parties. So let's get to unboxing. Thank you to ETENWOLF for sending me their P600 balloon pump to make this video. It's available on Amazon for about $25, which puts it in the same range as other brands. There are cheaper ones available, but they lack many of the features this one has. So when it comes to features, this has a couple different power modes here. One auto, which works with these two nozzles, that it only turns on and pumps when they're depressed, when you're pushing a balloon down on it, which will make it quieter while you're using it, but also save you electricity as the pump is only running when it's needed. You can also switch it to auto, which has it pumping all the time. Then there's a second switch here which controls the pressure. It has different pressure settings for foil balloons, for your normal round balloons, and for the long, skinny balloon animal balloons. Then over here it has 3 different nozzles. This is for when you're doing normal balloons with the touch on, see how it depresses like that? This is the same thing, but for the long, skinny balloon animal type balloons. Then it has 3 different little extra nozzles here that you could take off there, screw down into any of these, except that one obviously, and that will help you get inside of different foil balloons. They say it will inflate any balloon in 2 to 5 seconds. We will test that in a moment. It has power cord storage, which means there's this little flap here that when you're not using it, the power cord stores away, but then when you need it, you just pull it out, which I find super helpful. I hate it when I have little occasional use devices that I'm storing and there's cords dangling everywhere. Then it comes with a couple of these. These are balloon knotting kits, which I just had to look up how to use. I'm gonna try to figure those out. I have no idea, I've never used these before. But with that all said, let's get to trying to pump up some balloons. First up, let's plug this in. So we can see here, if we go to auto, it just turns on. Now if we go to touch on, then nothing happens when we flip it, but see if I go, when I push that down, it starts inflating. Same with this one. But yeah, let's test some balloons. So we got regular balloons here. This doesn't come with any balloons as you'd probably expect. So I had to order some off of Amazon. Give it a nice stretch to start with. So we got it set to round, we do. So let's put that on there and then hold it and there we go, easy as that. Let's see if we can figure this out. Like that. And then around here, whoa. So, was that my fault? That was a little bit inflated too big. Let's try again. All right. Good Lord. Come on. Okay. So that worked, but was that really quicker? Let's blow up another one. Get a green one here. Blow it up and try it just knotting it with our hands. Other than getting my finger stuck, that was much faster. If you knew how to use this, I think this would be a great addition. Maybe once I get better at it. But for now, I'm probably just quicker with just my fingers. Let's test some of these long skinny balloons. All right, so we want to make sure that we switch it to long. Make sure you give these a couple stretches before you begin. Put that on there. And there it goes. And if you're going to be using this to make balloon animals, make sure you do not inflate it all the way. Leave a few inches there, depending on how many times you're going to be trying to twist it. I'm not an expert at balloon animals, but watch this. I made a snake. Now watch this. I made a worm. But more realistically, let's give this a try. I remember learning how to do this as a kid once. So we do that, and then watch this. And then we'll do this. Oh, now we're starting to look like something. Now let's do... Oh, spin that around again. Now, if I can get that through there... Woo! Kind of Kind of looks like maybe a dog, something. That doesn't look too bad, does it? I could be a clown. Hire me for birthday parties. I'll be a lot of fun. I'll bring a zip line. I'll make balloon animals. No, just kidding. Don't try to hire me for birthday parties. Let's make another one just for fun. Whoa, there we go. Whoop, keep holding it down or it won't go. Another fun one to do is to just do something like this. And then you can do whatever with that, really. Make a... I don't know what that looks like. Hopefully nothing weird. But then you can make a hat out of it. And that's always fun. So, as you can see, if you had a kid's birthday party, this would be a blast to have. If you want to know more information, including current pricing, check out the links down in the description. Those are affiliate links, so my channel will earn a small commission if you choose to buy at no extra cost to you, and that will help keep this channel going and keep it growing. But I think for a price tag of about $25, this is something, if you're gonna have a dozen parties over your kid's childhood, this will be a good investment. It seems like a very high quality product. It will last for the long haul, and it'll save you those precious moments when you wanna celebrate your kid's birthday, you don't wanna spend time decorating. This will allow you to do just that when time is of the essence. If you wanna know another thing that'll take your kids' birthday parties to the next level, check out this video right up here. We'll see you over in that video. Until next time, get out there with your kids, have a fun-sized adventure of your own. See ya. I'm gonna take my dog. I'm gonna put it. Now I got a dog hat. Alone in the world with a little dog hat.